guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the August Ice Cream beauty box to share with you guys. This came in a few days ago and I'm really excited because two of my favorite indie brands are in this box. I'm talking about Gourmand Girls and Ladybug Glow Cosmetics. They each released a palette. I think technically you can only choose one, but since I was sent this in PR, the team at Ice Cream Beauty Box was kind enough to send me both palettes. So I'm super excited for this. I've been waiting for this since last week. So I'm glad it all arrived and I am able to sit down and film with it. So what is Ice Cream Beauty Box? What all do you get? Well, first I got to show you, and I think I showed you in the last one, these little styrofoam balls that they put in here. Sister goes crazy for them. I just dropped one down to her, but I mean, these are scattered all over my house. But you get 5 full-size products for $25. What I like about this box is that they feature a lot of indie makeup brands. So I see here we have a lipstick from Fantasy Cosmetica. I'm sure I have this shade because when these were released, they had sent me all of the shades. I think we're getting, yeah, this is a cream contour palette in here. We're also getting from, I think, Medusa Cosmetics, a single eyeshadow. We have the 2 eyeshadow palettes on the bottom. And then I do believe we are getting a powdered blush. Oh my goodness. Oh, is this that same brand that had the bronzer in last month's box? I think it is, with that beautiful packaging. Palace Identity. So I'm assuming this is going to have some really amazing packaging. I cannot wait to go through everything. You do get a card and we'll add up the total at the end and we'll see if this box was worth your $25 or not. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to welcome all of you. Hello, my name is Steph. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you are a fan, still a fan, because makeup subscription boxes have been around for a long time. This is the only one I have left. Then give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, I'll have this box linked in the description box along with some of the other makeup that I'm wearing. I'm still trying out the new Dior Forever Stick Foundation in case you all are wondering. But all of that will be linked in the description box, and some of those links might be affiliate links if you do end up shopping. I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's dive on into this box. Let's unbox it and let's try it all. If you all want to see the August Ice Cream Beauty Box in action, keep on watching. Okay, so I have foundation, powder, concealer, brows on. Now we need to add some color to this face. So I'm going to go in with the Sculpting Contour Palette. And why didn't I prep better and open these things? I opened a couple things last night, but I guess I assumed that some of these would just be easy to open, but some of them do have like plastic wrapped around them. Okay, so I got the contour palette open. Now these are, oh, they're powder. I was thinking they were cream. Oh, that's even better. Okay, great. So I'm gonna do this shade right here for the forehead. And I'm going to use my new Rephr Alexandria Anella brush. I used this one in yesterday's video, and it did so well applying the cream products that I really wanted to use it today. So I laid the box down. Am I in focus? I laid the box down on the floor, and now Sister has gotten into it. And she likes the little plastic that wraps, like this was wrapped in plastic, and she just likes to crunch on it. I always get after her. And you need to throw the trash that is in this room because it's just full of boxes and plastic and styrofoam and too much. And this Alexandria Anella brush is awesome. I don't know if it's sold out. I'm pretty sure that Rephr will do a restock on it. I do have an affiliate link with Rephr. It's in the description box in case you want to purchase anything. But this brush is aces. Like, it can just do so much, and it applies the product so well. Okay. So that's pretty much, you know what? I think I can do, let's see. Let me do this shade, although I don't think it's going to do too much. I was going to put it right here. I don't really do a lot of contouring or anything. I just play up the blush. Okay, so just like that. Let's dive into the blush. So it is that same brand from last month. Last month we got a bronzer from them. This month, ooh, we're getting a beautiful blush. Look at that. Ooh, that's gonna match nice with my top. So I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm just gonna swirl. OMG. Let me put some on the back of my hand. Wow, that is some major pigment. Yes, definitely need to take more off. Look at the back of my hand. Okay, so the blush and bronzer, I think together they paired really, really nicely. I don't have a highlighter, so I'm gonna go in with this one from House Labs. This one is in the shade Rose Quartz, and it's like a glowy blush. And I'm gonna use the same rougher brush, and I'm just gonna apply this like right up here. Okay, perfect. All right, let's see what color this lipstick is. The shade is called Mystery. It did come completely wrapped, but I already unsealed it. Now I have these, but I don't remember the shade. Oh, it's a red. I don't know if that is the shade that I wanted to do today, but well, we need to try everything in the box. I don't have a red lip liner up here, but I do have a nude one. I could have sworn I had a red one, but you know what? Let me do this. This is an old one from Milani. I really love the lip liner I wore yesterday, the new one from Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna get a couple other shades. It looked like I had my lips done. And I do get a little bit like of the smallest amount you could get in lip filler. That's what I get like every 3 or 4 months, but it's already been 3 months, so I don't even know that it's still there. But yesterday with that lip liner, wow, it really made me look like I had defined lips and I had just come back from the spa. This isn't bad too. It's just that I hardly ever wear lip liner, so I don't know, maybe I should wear lip liner more often. So here's our shade Mystery. I'm gonna try not to put too much on. I know these lipsticks. I like these lipsticks. I've worn them quite a few times in the past. They do have some good pigment, but you will need to apply after a meal. Okay. Okay, so here is El Camino, and this one is, are they both? Yeah, okay, so they're both Ladybug Glow and Gourmand Girls. It's a collab between both brands. Amanda is the one who owns Ladybug Glow, and Christina is the one who owns Gourmand Girls. I think this is a palette that I'm going to be using today. Let me show you the other one. This one is called Paradise Cove. This is more of a deeper palette with brighter colors. This is very lagoon-like colors. I think if I wasn't wearing this pink top, then I would have gone with this palette. So we'll have to save this one for another day, maybe a get ready with me. But this looks very, very beautiful. And both brands, I do love them. I think they both have an amazing formula. So they came together to produce two amazing palettes. I'm going to start here with this shade. This shade is called Pink Champagne. I've already primed my eyelids with the e.l.f. Lock It Down Primer. I'm taking Pink Champagne on my Game Beauty E01 and I'm just going to run it in the crease and also a little bit above towards the brow bone. Now on a Rephr 14, I'm going to go in with this shade right here. excess. And I'm going to focus that in the crease. And then I think I'm going to go in with either the black or the blue. We'll see. Ooh, this is bright. These shades are brighter in person than they are probably coming across on camera. And just to let you guys know, I only have one light on, with the exception of the light that's in the room. And it's my ring light here. And it's not even on the highest setting, so lighting does make a lot of difference. But just know that if some shades look perhaps a bit washed out, it's not because they are, it's just the light that's on them. That's always been difficult for me to find the correct lighting when swatching. That's why I don't really do much swatching anymore. At least not when I'm doing an eyeshadow palette review. I don't feel like I'm really good at it, and don't feel like you guys are seeing the most accurate of shades. So I'd actually just rather show you a picture of the company swatches than my own, but when I have the time, I do swatch. Now, if I can get over here to my other desk where the lighting situation is a little bit better, then yeah, I can do better swatches, but that's not an everyday occurrence. All right, we have a bright, fun look. I'm going to keep using that rougher brush, and I was going to go into this blue, but I think a little bit safer would be the black. Focus that here. I hope my microphone sounds okay. Sister took off the little foam part that covers it. When I came to the room this morning, the microphone was on the floor and the little foam part, I'm sure she played with it and it's probably destroyed somewhere. So I'll have to see about ordering one. They're not expensive. But yeah, maybe they have one at work I can borrow for a day or two. Okay guys, I think this is looking really, really nice. I am going to add a little bit of this shade back. Just right in here and above. Okay, all right, let's start playing with the shimmers. I'm going to take a look at the other palette to see what shimmers they have. I think I'll just go with this one then. I'll go with this one. This one is called Courtyard. I'm using my damp Morphe M124 to apply. Ooh, perfect combination. Did feel a little bit of fallout, but again, no glitter primer. All right, now for the lower lash line, I think I'll do this shade right here. I'm using a Rephr 26. Now I'm going to go into the Paradise Cove palette. No, I'm not. I thought that, well, let me try this one. I don't know if this could work as an inner corner highlight. It might. This one is called Las Brisas. Using a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Oh yeah, that works. These shimmers are textured, which I don't mind, but it makes fallout, yep, a little more likely to happen. Okay guys, I'm gonna go take care of these finishing touches off camera. I'll be right back to show you the completed look, and we'll total up the cost of the box and we'll see if this is worth your $25 or not. Okay guys, so here is the completed look. I did a little bit of LA Girl liquid eyeliner in the shade black on the top lash line. For the lower waterline, I went in with a Moira Peach eyeliner and Give by Gwen Stefani mascara. Let's total up the box and let's see how much everything comes out to. So the El Camino eyeshadow palette retails for $35. The loose pigment, not loose pigment, but the pressed pigment, that single shadow, the blue one, the only one I wasn't able to use from Medusa's Makeup, retails for $12. The blush retails for $42, that one in the big round compact. The sculpting palette, it was a set of 4 or 5 different powders, bronzing powders, retails for $45. And the Lost Library lipstick from Fantasy Cosmetica is $11. Now, I got 2 eyeshadow palettes, but they're both valued at $35. So I'm just going to include one in this total. Everything comes to $145 and the box only costs $25. And as you can see, they are all indie makeup brands, and that is my favorite thing about Ice Cream Beauty Box. It's the reason that I agreed to accept PR from them and showcase this on my channel, is because a lot of my favorite brands end up making it in this box, and I am so excited about that. I think the box is perfect. The only thing I didn't get to use was that single shadow, but I don't use a lot of single shadows, so that was probably the miss for me, even though it probably is a great shadow. It's just not something I'm gonna reach for. But everything else, the palette, the lipstick, the bronzer slash contour, the blush is super pigmented. I thought everything just worked out so well. This is a nice box. This is a nice box to receive. It's also a nice box to give in case you want to give one maybe to a birthday or the holidays are coming up. But consider them. I'll have Ice Cream Beauty Box linked in the description box, and I am giving the August box 2 thumbs up. I think it's fantastic. Let me know which palette you're going to choose, the El Camino or Paradise Cove. They are both collaborated on by Ladybug Glow and Gourmand Girls, 2 of my favorite brands. I do have an affiliate code with both, and it is Steff, and that saves you 10% off either on either website. And I do believe these 2 palettes are in stock on both of their websites. So happy shopping. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.